Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into how to fix your Honda Accord key remote. Often, the simplest solution is a dead battery. Most Honda Accord key fobs use a common 3-volt coin battery, either a CR2032 or CR2025. To replace it, first slide out the emergency key. Then, use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to gently pry open the fob's casing. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive side is facing up. Snap the fob back together, and you should be good to go. Sometimes, after a battery change or if you have a new remote, reprogramming is necessary. It's a straightforward process. Sit inside your Honda Accord with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition, but do not start the engine. Turn the ignition to the on position, then OFF, repeating this sequence 2 more times. On the 4th on turn, press the lock button on your remote. The door lock should cycle, indicating you're in programming mode. You can program up to 3 remotes in one session. If a new battery and reprogramming don't solve the problem, let's troubleshoot further. Intermittent issues can often be caused by dirty battery contacts. Open the fob again and gently clean the metal contacts with a soft cloth. Sometimes, the contacts might be slightly bent, preventing a solid connection. Carefully adjust them. If the remote has been dropped or exposed to water, there might be internal circuit board damage, which may require professional attention. To ensure your Honda Accord key fob lasts, proper care is essential. Always keep it dry and avoid dropping it, as physical impact or water can severely damage the delicate internal components. It's also a good idea to keep a spare 3-volt coin battery readily available for quick replacements. If you've tried all these steps and your key remote still isn't working, it might be time to consult a professional technician for a more in-depth diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.